Are you guys as hyped as me? What is up, guys? Just made it to Mammoth Mountain after driving 15 hours straight through the night. 50 degrees, super sunny. Gonna be a killer day to check out everything and get our bearings on the mountain. That's right.
If it's like clicked and you're...
First run at Mammoth, let's go.
Ooh, there's a park. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're already at the park.
Small park. So sick, dude. I cannot wait. This looks fantastic.
Jump hip thing.
Got some warped boxes, my favorite.
Turn on, GoPro, don't be like that.
Oh, this looks... Dude, this looks so... Oh my god, I'm geeking right now. What is going on? Yes. First run at Mammoth, just got off the lift. This looks intense. I am terrified. Park looks heavy, looks awesome, and it is so dang nice though. Let's kill it. Woo. What do you guys think? First run?
Insane.
Insane. Absolutely.
It's so heavy.
Oh, so sick. What is going on here, guys? Look at that booter. Jonathan's gonna shred a sick line.
Yeah, baby.
Let's get it. Yeah, dog.
So 2 things. So front 3, back 3 method. All right, guys, finished up for the first day of Mammoth. It was incredible, wide open throttle everywhere, just fun, silly tricks. Kept it in the small park today, but tomorrow we're gonna be crushing the big park. Later.